This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, July 24th, 2019. This one here, I gotta go, lady selling her house and she needs an annual service on the AC. She's selling her house tomorrow, she said. Yeah, so the seller wants it done by tomorrow, so I'm going over there today.
Turn left.
That was yesterday she called me, so maybe she's selling it. She must be selling it tomorrow or something. But anyway, I'm gonna go over there and just make sure the system's even running. Make sure the filters are clean and stuff like that. Make sure it's even running before I get involved with it.
Turn left on Seabreeze Drive, then take the first right.
You don't want to get involved in a shit show. It could be a shit show. It might be a shit show. You never know, Mama. Could be a shit show, Molly.
Seabreeze Drive, then take the first right.
New filter, I had to fix this thing, was hanging down, I had to fix that. And that's a little dirty. Clean that while I'm here. I'm gonna give it a hosing, give it the best I can here. It's got a reversing valve, so that's a heat pump. That's a heat pump. The old Bundy. A lot cleaner than it was, that's for sure. I sprayed it really good all the way around. I took the side panel off, sprayed it good. That's going to be the first floor one. So that's going to be that's the first floor one. That's the second floor one. Hello? Yeah, I think that's the first floor one over there. Can you turn the second floor unit on? Turn it on cooling and turn it down. Turn it on cooling and then turn it, the temperature should be already, just turn it on and make sure that it's calling for cooling. And I'll check it. I gotta clean that one yet. That's the first floor. I want to check this one first with the charge. Not go any further. This is the second floor one. Probably 410. It's low on charge. Subcooling's way down. Look at this. 3/4, 7/8, and then they reduce down to 3/4 on that. What a shit show that is. The wiring here. Look at that. It's low on freon. I gotta put some juice in it. 410. Anything below 100, you gotta be concerned about it freezing. So you can see my subcool's at 3. I gotta give it some dinosaur juice. I gotta give it some dinosaur juice. There's a leaker. put it in, kind of just regulate it in a little bit. Just don't dump it in there like a maniac. Give it a little juice. Bring that up to probably 10. Get a little chart you could use right here if you had to, but 10, 11 will be fine on. I could tell it was low by the air coming out. I did hit it good with the hose. I gotta do the other one next. Don't want to overshoot it either. Put a little bit in, let it stabilize. Look at the neighbor's house. Thing fell right off. Little round spine fin. It's the neighbor's house. Look at that. Wow. Don't even see the cover. But that ain't said something. It's not code. Alright, we got about 10 on the subcool. That's good. I didn't have to put a lot in there. I didn't have to put a lot. Anything above 100. Anything below 100 on 410, you gotta be concerned. Superheat's good at 20. Subcool is 11. That's fine. I didn't put much in there. Alright, this one I'm going to give a little douche. Not a lot. Maybe a pound or something, not even. I'll have to weigh the tank. I gotta go over there and wash that other one off. Check that one. That's the first floor one. This is second. I should probably mark it. Mark it right on the disconnect right here. Neighbor's cover over behind this unit. Belongs over there. What a crack on the top, at least it's back together. I mean, what a flipping shit show. This one don't look as bad. I'm just gonna hit this one with the hose quick. All the way around good. This one's not as bad, but still needs a cleaning. This one's not a heat pump. Give it the old, how you doing, mama? Give it the old, how you doing? Spine fin. Them other panels, I'll just leave them on it. It's really difficult to get them off anyway. Just spray through them. Alright guys, I gave that thing a good rinsing all the way around, and the fins all the way around really good. She's gonna shut the hose off. It's going up through the house. Then we'll check the charge. I don't know if this is a 22 or a 410, to be honest with you. I gotta pull that out of there. I'm thinking it's a 22. Yeah, it's a 22 system. You can tell by the pressures and stuff it's a 22 system. Yeehaw! You can tell the mice eat through some of these low voltage wires. This is strictly, I don't think this is a heat pump, or is it? I gotta redo some of these wires. It's a strictly AC, 2 wires. I'll shut it off and redo some of them wires. Alright, so you see this blue one, they chewed on this. I could reattach them to there. And this yellow one is chewed. I pull the disconnect. I'll be able to reconnect these wires. I just kind of push the mouse nest off for now. Well, let's fix that. Got some 22 here if I need a juice. Need some dinosaur juice. So I got it off inside. So we'll cut away the bad wires. I can pull this up if I had to. I think I got more slack here on this blue one. Should have enough, or do I? Might need another piece of wire. Yeah, I gotta get another piece of wire. I gotta get another piece of wire. This one is better off cleaning this shit up now before it's too late. These fucking hackers, I mean, this is a solid piece of wire on this. Look at this. Fucking chewing it up. Bloody hackaroo. You don't want to arc that out, because if you do, it's going to be a short on the inside unit, and we don't want that. Now we get a solid wire there. What about that blue one? Where's the hell did that blue one go? Get it off inside so I don't have to worry about it. So we got the blue and then the yellow. We'll see if we can get that up in there. Thermostat wire. What a flippin' shit show. Not easy, mama. Not easy being cheesy, is it? Nope. Alright, I got that. Now we'll have to do this other one here. Another lady selling a house. Alright, so there's our low voltage there. Good enough for this neighborhood. And that should fire back up. Wow. Look at that. Had some explosions on there, probably dead mice. Look at this thing. I'll put a flipping cap right on there like that. I mean, alright, so we got the thermostat wire coming up through them two holes. Boom, boom, and then right there, we'll cut away the chute stuff, and that should take care of our issue. We'll start it back up and check the charge. This cover back on. This yellow was all chewed up too. I don't know why they had that like that, but they had that black. Well, look at the ground. They chewed the ground up too. But the positive looks okay. I don't see any chew marks on that. Well, hopefully that's gonna work. Yeehaw. Give it to you. How you doing, Mama? Alright, it's back up online here. Let's see what's going on. Let it run for a little bit. Might have to put some gas in it. I don't know. The subcoolant should be around 9, 10, something like that. We'll give it a little time to ramp up the speed. Mice. The old mice attack. This is gonna be a 22 unit because the way the pressures are reading and shit. If it was 410A, the pressures would be a lot different. But my subcoolant don't look bad there at 12. Oversized system for the house, way oversized. See our subcoolant there at 12. Superheat's a little bit higher than I'd like to see, but 62, that's above freezing, right? Above 60. So we'll be alright there. I did give it an old hose job. Gonna leave it right there. So subcoolant's a little higher than I like to see, but that's it. We're not gonna play with it. That's good right there. Subcoolant's a little bit higher than I like to see, but suction's at 62. We're good with that. We're gonna leave it right there. That one's fine. Can't stop a train. Your tail's getting long, Molly. You're getting a long tail. Look how long a tail here is. Beautiful little dog. Wanna go in?